Understanding how credit cards work. Credit cards are essential financial tools that provide convenience and rewards when used correctly. At their core, credit cards are tied to revolving credit accounts managed by banks. When you use a credit card to make a purchase, you're essentially borrowing money from the bank. The bank pays the merchant, and you are responsible for repaying the bank. However, this comes with terms, including a borrowing limit known as the credit limit, which caps how much you can spend. Once you reach your credit limit, further spending is restricted until you repay part of your outstanding balance. Let's explore key concepts like interest, balance management, and how to maximize your credit card benefits. The role of interest. Credit cards charge interest on unpaid balances, making it crucial to understand how it works. Interest isn't charged immediately due to a grace period, which allows you to repay your balance without incurring additional costs. At the end of the billing cycle, your card issuer will send you a statement outlining your total balance and the minimum payment required to avoid late fees. If you pay the full balance by the due date, you won't owe any interest. However, if you carry a balance, the remaining amount will accrue interest based on your card's annual percentage rate, APR. This rate is divided into daily interest, calculated on your outstanding balance. Over time, unpaid interest compounds, making your debt grow faster than you might expect. Managing credit card debt. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. To maintain a good credit score and financial health, aim to use only 30% or less of your available credit. This is known as your credit utilization rate. If you carry a balance, prioritize paying it off quickly to minimize interest costs. Consider strategies like reducing spending, avoiding new charges, or using balance transfer cards with promotional 0% APR offers. These steps can help you regain control and pay off debt efficiently. The benefits of credit cards. Despite the risks, credit cards offer numerous advantages when used responsibly. Building credit history. Consistently repaying credit card bills demonstrates responsible financial behavior, which improves your credit score. This is essential when applying for future loans or mortgages. Enhanced security. Credit cards are safer for online shopping since fraudulent transactions can be reversed. Unlike debit cards, which are tied directly to your bank account, credit cards protect your savings. Rewards programs. Credit cards often offer cashback, travel points, or other perks. For example, cashback cards provide rebates on purchases, while travel cards grant points redeemable for flights or hotel stays. Many cards also include purchase protection and extended warranties. Tips for using credit cards responsibly. Pay off balances monthly. Avoid interest charges by paying your balance in full each month. Avoid overspending. Only charge what you can afford to repay within your budget. Understand your rewards. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits to maximize benefits. Monitor your credit utilization. Keep balances low relative to your credit limit to maintain a strong credit score. Conclusion. Credit cards are valuable tools for managing finances, building credit, and earning rewards. However, they must be used carefully to avoid debt and high interest costs. By staying informed and practicing responsible spending habits, you can make the most of your credit cards and enjoy their many benefits.